Thank you for the farts. Who did that?
Show Ryu29 donated $150.
You know what's crazy?
Get in that Teletubby.
Alright, next up is chill. Ooh. Ooh. I already like it. Ooh. It gets me like oh, New Jabez? Do you guys know what who New Jabez is? A feel of that. That's a vibe. Ooh, okay. When Chan produced it. Ooh. Wait, where am I? Wait, I got lost in the sauce. Ooh. Okay, Changbin came in hard. Damn, Ms. Dre. What's up, Suki? I was trying to figure out who came in that hard, bro.
Let's watch some crazy stuff, yo.
He really do be coming in hard. Pause. That doesn't sound right. I'm sorry. That's not what. You know what I mean. In lyrics, in rap, in.
Jeez, Rick. Oh my God.
Wait. Hold on. With the sax in the background. Okay. Fire. Alright, next up is give me your TMI. What does that mean? Oh, like, wait, your TMI? Like, what is, like, too much information? Ooh. Retro. What's up, Lele? How you doing? Oh, yeah. Thank you. What is happening? Hold on. Jesus. Ooh. Felix and Lino? But Changbin came in. Okay. Let's see lyricism. Right now. Interesting. Oh, this does sound like some FNAF-ish, no? I was so confused, like Five Nights at Freddy's. Do you know the exact, like, I've heard that sound before, but I don't know where exactly.
Bye-bye! Oh, damn it.
It's like basic getting to know somebody. Ooh. Let me know, right now. The guitar just kicking in makes it even better too. Ooh. That ooh is killer right there, bro. I don't know how to dance this. I don't know how to dance to it. My favorite part right here is the whoo. I can't do it. But this part right here, when it gets all crazy and then he adds the woo woos and the ooh oohs. Beautiful. Alright, Superboard. Oh yeah. Hey, thank you for gifting a sub to Silly Pack. What's poppin'? Whoa. Pow pow. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, okay, Bangchan. Let's go, Lino. Are they gonna do? It sounded adorable. I feel like this live will be kind of crazy too. Bro, they have so much crazy songs. I feel like worried for them because they're always so hyped. I'm worried for myself too, because I'll be always standing up and just vibing out for 3 hours. Ooh. And if you haven't gone to a Stray Kids concert yet, you should. They're fire. Any live. Woo! Hey, yo! Go back. Changbin be killing it, bro. Okay, Hyunjin. Zoom, Superboy. What is the word? What's the Korean word for jumping? Who did that? Because they have to go. I just imagine someone. Ooh, did I just do egg yolk, bitch? Stop it! Don't do egg yolk for free. God. Don't never do egg yolk for free. You better get paid. Oh, this is the one y'all be talking about and hyping me up, huh? 3 Racha? Oh, I can't wait. Alright. So this is their anthem, right? This is their anthem? Okay. A. 1, 2, 3 Racha. Get spot.
1, 2, 3 Racha get spotlight. 외친지 벌써 5년 판창. Credit is always the biggest headline. 전 세계 차트의 상담. 보시면 끝이 없는 끝으로 통하지 소미 상관. 자신 한끗 차이 한끗 차이로 다 한물같이.
Hey. Ooh.
hat들 무렵 토끼 눈이 띄는 두 눈은 너치야. 서단으로도 뭐 TGGG 10.89.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay, designer. Ooh, start off like, love the vibe of Han already started. Yeah, I'm famous. Okay, let's fucking go. Talk your shit. Talk your shit. That's me. Hey! Hey! Three Russia! Hella drill. Alright, Bangchan. Alright, Bangchan. Oh shit! Wait! Oh my god, my computer's going crazy. I accidentally opened up Premiere Pro. Bro, I have to stop because my fucking zipper broke, I think. I think I broke this. Never mind, it's broken. It broke. I was getting so hype. Bro, I knew he was gonna kill it though. I knew he was gonna kill it. Let's go back to Chris. Bangchan. Shut your, look at my boy spitting. Stream.
My boys spitting facts and locked and loaded.
Woo!
The perfect trio bound by blood. Musketeers are making music. Pull out the shoes, chopping up sounds fast.
Nah. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I have to go repeat that again. I gotta repeat that again.
My boys spitting facts and locked and loaded. Been in the corpse since 7. The sky was scales on the verge of blowing up. Feel the burn, yet they just can't get enough. Copywriting numbers won't be ever stopping, cause we still constructing, keep it coming. Why you mad, bro?
Why you mad, bro? Hey, they talk their shit. Talk your shit. They need to talk their shit. They need to talk their shit. My favorite lyric already. My boys spit, in fact, they locked, I'm loaded. Masterminds the perfect trio bound by blood. Musketeers are making music. All for all and all for one. He's not ready? Bullshit. It starts off with Felix. Oh shit. What is this taste? What are we tasting? M&M's, Skittles, Starburst, ice cream. Ooh, ice cream sound bust. Okay, Lino. Hyunjin? Hey, yo. Then to Felix again? Oh no, Lino. Ooh. Oh, I didn't even hear Felix's yet, but I already hit Lino triggered the vocal. Let's go. Baby, don't test me, no. Baby, don't get me wrong. Ooh. Oh, he killed this. He killed this part, Lino. Sheesh. Killed that ish, bro. Just look at me, baby, day and night. So many bad, baby, baby, I'm addicted to you. Ooh, Lino's killing it, bro.
I would like to see it.
What did he whisper? No. This is targeted. This is targeted. You know what I thought? You know what I thought when I heard that lyrics? Every time I do that little, like, you know, when I like. Oh, Hyunjin wrote it. But still, why did Felix have to say it? They watch. They have to watch. Kiss me or hate me. 소프트한 이 상황 속 날 봐줘, baby. My eyes are getting too loose. Can't repeat tying up with this grain. Instead of running, I'm gonna mess it all up. This second 이 순간을 간직해 다 가고 있게. Damn. 자세게 하비 피어나는 flowers 이 조명의 눈물을 또 빠진다 곤란해 거짓 모두 성연의 맘 너 없이 아무것도 안 잡힌다 You make you feel my love la 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 지금 너 come and taste me now Yeah you better watch out you're gonna like 유난한 속삭여 la 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 너냐 둘 사이 애거리 좁혀 잠깐의 호흡 맞다 true up 이 스윗한 공간에 바라지 이 스윗한 공간에 떨어진 This is the Wattpad song? Bro. That's disrespectful. Good job. That was good. That's one of the faves. I like the upbeat of this. The whole change. Very anime song. Yeah. Very anime song. Oh, the world. Very anime slice of life feel. Very upbeat. Happy. And then we have Circus Korean version, which I heard, this is the Japanese, I heard the Japanese version. I never heard the Korean version before, actually. I'm trying to see if I like the Japanese version or the Korean version more.
The show starts now. May I have attention, my ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, yo. So, MAXIDENT. Wow. Definitely Case 143 is clever. That grew onto me. I love Chill. TMI, I think I have to listen to it one more time. Same with Superboard. But off the bat, 3 Racha Taste is up my alley. Can't Stop is good too.